If you're not a microwave chef aficionado, but you still want a convection microwave, we think the EM720CD7 from Black & Decker is a smart choice. Especially for people who are casual microwave users, an oversized appliance doesn't make sense. We think this is the best countertop convection microwave oven thanks to the compact 0.7 cubic feet of internal capacity. While the wattage is only 700, you're still within the acceptable range to ensure consistent power and even heating. The external dimensions measure 17.3 inches wide, 13 inches deep, and 10.2 inches tall with a 10-inch diameter glass turntable. The Black & Decker microwave comes in a sleek stainless steel finish that will look nice in most kitchens or even in an office break room. You'll get a fairly standard touchpad control panel and a streamlined set of features such as 6 auto-cook presets, express quick start cook buttons for fast cooking between 1 to 6 minutes, a defrost, and a memory feature. This microwave also comes with 10 power settings. It's also a good option if you're looking for the best microwaves for dorms. If you're in the market for a durable convection microwave oven that's going to last more than a few years, we think you'll like this pick from Toshiba. The EC042A5C-SS is a medium-sized microwave that features 1000 watts of power and an internal capacity of 1.5 cubic feet. The external dimensions measure 21.7 inches wide, 20.1 inches deep, and 12.8 inches tall with a glass turntable that measures 13.6 inches in diameter. We also like that this model features a sturdy door handle, making it a great choice for seniors or people with mobility or accessibility concerns. You'll like that the Toshiba microwave gives you the choice to shift between 4 auto bake and 4 auto roast selections, so that you can make everything from muffins and French fries to roasting whole chickens and pork. We like that this selection also features an eco mode so that you reduce standby power consumption by 50%. The smart sensor technology can be used along with the 13 auto menu buttons to expertly cook food without the risk of over or undercooking dishes. There's also a warm hold feature that lets you warm prepared dishes for as long as 99 minutes. For additional stainless steel options, check out our best stainless steel microwave buying guide. We can't stress enough that if you're trying to preserve your countertops and don't want to sacrifice your cabinets, an over-the-range microwave is usually your best bet. We like the Sharper 1874T because we think it's one of the best over-the-range convection microwaves that we found in our research. While it offers a lower power rating at just 850 watts, you do get 1.1 cubic feet of interior space, which makes it ideal for a smaller family to use. However, keep in mind that with the larger exterior dimensions of 29.93 inches wide, 16.34 inches deep, and 15.28 inches tall, this might not be compatible with narrower standard cabinet widths depending on your oven configuration. Still, we like that this pick comes with a built-in exhaust system with a fan that has 3 speeds. You'll also get a hood light for improved visibility while working at the stove. This model also comes with a 13-inch diameter glass turntable. You'll get a large control panel with functionality to bake, broil, brown, crisp, and roast foods. This sharp convection microwave also includes smart and easy sensor settings to adjust cooking times for perfectly cooked foods every time. It's one of the best over-the-range microwave options on our list. When people think about seniors using appliances like microwaves, they often strip the product of robust features. This leaves seniors with basic options that offer limited functionality. When in reality, many elderly people, especially people who are avid cooks in their younger years, just want a microwave that still offers plenty of features, but with a streamlined control panel that might take into account issues like arthritis that may make pushing a touchpad or pushing an open mechanism more difficult. We like that it's not light on features, but offers a more streamlined control panel that's easier for someone to use who struggles with hand strength. The large pull handle, rotary dial, push buttons, and large digital display timer are perfect for seniors. More importantly, this pick features an adjustable wattage, allowing you to shift between 1000, 1100, and 1800 watts depending on your cooking needs. Meanwhile, the 1 cubic foot of interior space makes this ideal for empty nesters. You can toggle between the air fryer, grill, microwave, and low temperature cook functions, so you can do everything from make fries to dehydrating fruits. We can't get enough of built-in microwaves because they're such a sleek upgrade from countertop models. And if you're looking for a convection oven that can be installed into the wall, this pick from Dacor is perfect. We think it's one of the best convection microwaves thanks to the 1100 watts of power and 2 cubic feet of internal capacity. The external dimensions measure 24 inches wide, 19.13 inches deep, and 13.38 inches tall with a glass turntable. Even though you can only get this Dacor microwave in a stainless steel finish, you still get a wide array of sensor cooking modes. This includes multiple autocook settings including options for ground meat, rice, fresh seafood, and frozen and fresh vegetables. There's also a keep warm function to keep dishes warm if you're not quite ready to eat them. Of course, you'll need to purchase the trim kit separately if you want to install this pick into the wall. Still, we think it's one of the top-rated built-in microwaves on our list.